And so what these kids did, they designed a 3D object.
Right.
What program did you guys use?
SolidWorks.
SolidWorks, okay? And then in SolidWorks, they saved it and moved it into CAD, the CAD program, and then that uploads to the HoloLens.
Right.
And so now the students can see what they created before it goes to the printer.
And you can think of this even one more step. How about doing this? Let's redesign a kitchen, and then let's see if we like it. And so we could set it up and we could walk through it and see if we like the spaces that we have made or if we need to make some adjustments. And so before we even make any sawdust or noise, we can actually create our kitchen and walk through it before we start. And we can take that one step further. How about if we walk through our whole house? Or how about if we walk through a whole community?
Down Main Street.
Down Main Street. So it's something that is, I know that probably we'll look back on this and say, yeah, and we got excited about that, but this is something to really get excited about. So this is as big a step from paper pencil to CAD as we are now from CAD to 3D mixed reality.